in the spring. So today, I want to talk to you about the wind. Wind is weather. I can't see it. How do I know it's there? Well, I can feel it on my skin. It's blowing my hair. I can hear it. I can see that the wind is blowing the water. So it's all around me. So let's go see what we can find today. I'm visiting a lake. A lake is a body of water surrounded by land. This lake is special because in the very middle, it actually has an island. An island is land surrounded by water. I think I just found my favorite turtle of all times. I'm gonna go really slow and pick it up, but I am pretty sure this is a red-eared slider, which is oviparous. Let's see, little guy. Do you have red ears today? How are you, you little sleeping guy? Oh. All right, we're just gonna observe you for a minute to make sure you are a red-eared slider. Then I'm gonna put you right back where I found you. Hi. Let's see. What's that? Are you a red-eared slider? Yes, you are. I just saw my first butterfly of the year. Woohoo! Summer's on its way. Butterflies are oviparous. So we were driving back to the cabin when I said, Emma, stop the car. Look what I found. This is a giant snapping turtle. Just like the kind of turtle in our reptile cards that we've been studying. But now you get to see it up close. We're gonna get a little closer, but sometimes if you get too close, they do hiss at you. You can tell that he has really sharp claws. He's got scales. Look at that jaw. So friends, I found a special guest. Let's go surprise him. Hey, guess who it is? It's Alton! Alton is at a pond, not a lake. And a pond is a very small, still body of water. So, buddy,
Yeah.
what are you doing at the pond?
I'm gonna go catch a catfish.
You're catching a catfish?
Yes.
All right, well, let's see if he has any luck. Hi, friends. We're gonna do today's recap at the pond. We know that a pond is a small, still body of water. We visited a lake, and we know that a lake is a larger body of water that's surrounded by land. The lake also had an island in the middle of it, and an island is land that is surrounded by water. We came across two different kinds of reptiles today. One was a red-eared terrapin. The second was a snapping turtle. We talked about the wind. I can't see the wind, but I know it's there. It's blowing on my face right now. It's blowing through my daughter's hair. It's blowing the water across the pond, and I can hear it. Don't forget, we saw a little butterfly today. And to end, I definitely touched turtles today. Definitely need to clean my hands to keep healthy. I hope all of you are staying healthy. You're having fun. We're gonna see each other real soon, I promise. Till then, take care.